Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the messages or the messages section on your account on Rednote. So the first thing here, you have to go to the Rednote, and here you will find on the bottom on the right you will find this messages section. Here, as you see, you'll find the new followers, the like and collect, and the comments and mentions. So as you see here, you can manage this section as you want. You can click on more groups, new group, or group square if you want. Here you find this like and collect section. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.